The past month, I've been doing a few small projects, and it's time to throw them into a complete bike. Something like this 1996 Trek 8500. It's got a really cool, lugged but seamless aluminum frame that's just super cool. It's equipped with a full XT kit from 1996 with the awesome V-brakes, just everything that's super cool. And I'm excited to dig into this one. So I'm going to interrupt this restoration for just a bit to talk about this. This is the Hover Air X1 mini drone and the sponsor for today's video. Now this little drone comes in this super compact foldable design that actually fits inside your pocket. Fits inside mine at least. It even fits inside the pocket of my kit, and allows me to capture video content on the fly in a super easy and simple way. Instead of using GPS and other things to set itself up, you simply put it in the palm of your hand, turn it on, turns on pretty quick, select from one of the 5 preset modes, it launches, and it does that. The different modes include like follow, which is the one that I use the most, an out and return. It'll hover in front and capture images for you, or do a tour around you. For me, I really like the follow mode. There's a follow front and a follow reverse. And while I'm riding, it does really well following from behind. In fact, for the outro of this video, I'm going to be using the Hover Air to capture footage of me riding in the mountains, and we'll see how well it does. So thank you to Hover Air for sponsoring content like this and actually elevating my video content. I'm looking forward to using this more and more in different videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description below and check out Hover. It may be just what you need also for your biking videos or other videos or hiking videos. For me, it was great with my family, and it's great for my ride montages. So be sure to check it out, and let's get back to scraping this bike down. So thanks for following along with me on this build. It was fun to build up the white industry hubs that I had, add in the Shimano clipless pedals, and the Salitalia Flight saddle. I don't know if it was a lot of fun scraping down the frame, but raw aluminum is always kind of cool. The Hover Air also, holy cow, I love it. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. It's an awesome, awesome little handy drone thingy. And as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.